Hi there, and welcome back to Twinkle's How to Draw series. Today, we'll be learning how to draw a big, grumpy polar bear. We'll be starting off by using a pencil to draw some basic shapes before using a pen to create the final lines. So, make sure you have everything you need and let's get going. To start, pick up your pencil and draw a circle in the middle of your page. From there, draw a bigger circle to its right and a smaller circle to its left. Make sure that the top of the bigger circle is higher than the middle one and that the top of the smaller circle is lower than the middle. Next, starting from the top of the smallest circle, connect the tops with a wavy line, dipping in between each circle to make two little hills. From there, draw a curved line starting from the bottom of the big circle all the way to the left side of the middle circle. Then, another curved line from the small circle to the end of that line you just drew. Okay, we have a body. Now let's add some legs. Start with a line coming downwards from the middle circle, then loop it back to the other side. With the back leg, draw a more S-like shape coming from the big circle, then loop it back around with a similar S shape like this. Now for the other legs. Draw two bumps, one for the front leg and one for the back, making sure to stop drawing as you reach the body to show that these legs are on the other side of the bear. Finally, add a little circle for a tail. Now we've completed the first part of our drawing, did you know that almost 80% of our viewers aren't subscribed? Why don't you hit the subscribe button so you're the first to know when we next upload a how to draw video? Right, it's time to pick up the pen and add some detail. Let's start with the hills that make up the bear's back, starting from the back of the head, along the shoulders, all the way to the tail. Next, go to the front leg and begin tracing the front line, then the back one. On the back line, add some jagged edges to create a furry effect on the bear's leg. When you get to the foot, draw a straight line going across, then an arching line to connect the paw with the leg. Now we're going to do this exact thing for the back leg. Following the curly S line from before, just like the other foot, draw an arching line to create the paw, then a line going straight across to show the whole foot. Finish it off by following the line back up to the tail, making sure to add the jagged lines for the fur. Next, let's join the legs up with a slightly curved line between them, making a big belly for our bear. Just fill in the back leg behind the bear, drawing the feet and paws as previously shown. Don't start the front one yet though. Next, let's move on to the head, starting with the bear's ear with a little curved line. Draw a curved line for the bear's head and a shorter one coming from that line for its snout. At the end of the snout goes the nose, which is done with a curly C shape, following it round to make the nostrils. From the bottom of the nose, carry on the snout down to where I've given my bear a mean looking mouth. Follow the line back, then loop round to the neck, adding more jagged fur effects as you go. Finally, fill in the last leg the same as the others, making sure to stop our lines before they overlap. So now that we have the fundamentals of our bear, let's add some details. Firstly, fill in his tail. Then, where the bear's eye will be, draw a sort of sidewards J shape, which will be our bear's big, grumpy eyebrow. Draw a curved line below it to create an eye, and then finish it off with a dot in the middle and a quick line underneath. A small curved line in the nose for a nostril and some little teeth in the mouth. Don't forget to add a backwards 3 in the ear for some extra detail and some swishy lines above the legs for a furry effect. And, of course, some big mighty paws. You can do these by simply drawing a C shape 2 times on the feet, just as shown. And there you have it, a big grumpy polar bear plodding his way through the snow. We hope you enjoyed your time here at Twinkle Kids TV today. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.